A new iPhone virus has been discovered that can read your screenshots, steal sensitive data, and send it back to malicious developers. Here's how to protect yourself. How it works. Certain apps from the App Store contain malware that, once installed, request access to your photos. If granted, they can scan your screenshots for sensitive information like passwords or banking details and send them to hackers. How to stay safe. 1. Review photo permissions. Go to Settings, Privacy, and Security Photos. Check which apps have full access to your photos. If an app doesn't need access, set it to None, especially if it's unfamiliar. 2. Update your iOS and apps. Go to Settings, General Software Update, and install the latest update. Apple has implemented fixes to prevent infected apps from being installed. Open the App Store, tap your profile, top right, and swipe down to check for app updates. Tap Update All to ensure all apps have the latest security patches. By following these steps, you can protect your iPhone from this malware and keep your private data secure. Stay safe. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me.